Okay, so for each problem below, we have to find the value of x or y that will make the line that goes through these 2 points parallel or perpendicular. In our case, it's perpendicular to this line right here. So first, we're going to start off with our slope formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right. Now we need to figure out what our slope is going to be. So our slope here, M. Now we're told it is perpendicular to this line. Now when we take a perpendicular slope, and that's what this little sign, this little upside down T means, is perpendicular, we're going to do the opposite reciprocal. Since this is 2 over 5, we flip it, take the reciprocal, 5 over 2, and we make it the opposite, or negative that. So that's going to be our slope. So our slope is negative 5 over 2 is equal to, and now we just need to label our y's. So this is y2 and y1. So I could say negative 4 minus y over, and if I do it this way, this would be x2, x1. You could, of course, flip-flop the points if you wanted, which would be negative 3 minus negative 7. Now, if we have a double negative like that, we just change this to a plus, negative 3 plus 7. And so then we want to kind of combine our like terms in the bottom. So this would be negative 5 over 2 is equal to negative 4 minus y over, in this case, 4. Now, there are 2 strategies that we could do. We could do what's called cross multiplying, where we would multiply the negative 5 and the 4 like this. And if I do this, this is actually a pretty good way to do it. So negative 5 times 4 is equal to, it on the other side, I'll do it in green. We would do 2 times negative 4 minus y. So that would be 2 times negative 4 minus y. And now I have kind of a nice problem that I can just solve. So first I would do negative 5 minus 4. That's negative 20. I distribute my 2 to both sides, so I get negative 8 minus 2y. And then I'm just solving for y, so I add 8. I get negative 12 is equal to negative 2y, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, and I get 6 is equal to y. And I can rewrite it like this, y is equal to 6. And so if I plug 6 in here, I should get the points negative 7, comma 6, and negative 3, comma negative 4. And the line that goes through those 2 points should be perpendicular to my y equals 2 over 5x plus 7.